Today is a celebration of a lot of hard work of our team, but the ability to come together with a network of amazing custom home builders and be a part of something bigger than us.
Alair Homes is a network of custom home builders across America and Canada.
Tonight is a celebration of people. It's a celebration of connection. It's a celebration of alignment.
It just totally aligned. And they're some of the greatest human beings, and they're so genuine. So even here tonight, I've met people I'd never met in my life who flew hours to be here to celebrate us, and they don't even know us.
So today is our launch into becoming Alair Asheville.
We're excited to learn from other builders who've been doing it longer than we have, and to really just learn and grow together.
So today is kind of a new launch point of us turning into a better company than we've ever been.
Clients will still get the same kind of personalized care and attention that we've been giving them.
They kind of align with our principles of always getting better, always doing better for the clients and for each other.
Thank you so much for allowing all souls to be a part of the evening tonight.
So the ability to give back, it's a core value of Red Tree Builders, core value of Alair. So it's just an honor to have All Souls be here. They're a fantastic partner in the community, doing amazing things for mental health.
The fact that Red Tree and Alair Homes really embraces that and supports it with funding and time is truly remarkable.
So we're going to auction off a beautiful painting.
Not going it, we're going to go once, twice. Oh my God, we got it!
The future for Red Tree and Alair, I think, is bright.
A little more opportunities to share knowledge and learn a little bit more from other professionals across our trade, and share best practices.
With Red Tree Builders, we instantly get better, we instantly get smarter, we instantly have new ideas because they bring them forward. So we're just looking forward to what they can teach us.
It was a long time coming, but happy to finally have this moment.
Living better starts here.